Hello students, welcome to the class full of knowledge and learning. Today we will learn about plants because our poem name is A Watering Rhyme. Let's start our poem. But first give the answer of my question. What are the most important things we need to live? Of course, they are food, water and pure air. Without these things, we won't be able to survive. हम एक मिनट भी survive नहीं कर पाएंगे if we will not get pure air. Food gives us energy, and that energy we use to do our works. But water is the thing that we use in most of our deeds. We use water in our daily life. Let's see what are the work we do using water. First of all, we wake up and wash our face with water. Brushing our teeth, bathing, washing our clothes, cooking food, watering the plants, cleaning the house, cleaning our car, bike or bicycle, etc. Didn't we miss something? The most important use of water. ये तो हमने लिखा ही नहीं. We use water to drink. Without water, a person cannot live. A human can go without food for about 3 weeks, but would typically only last 3 to 4 days without water. बिना food के आप 3 weeks तक survive कर सकते हैं, but without water, we may survive only for 3 to 4 days. ये तो हुई कुछ important informations about water. Now let's know some important things about plants. Look at this picture carefully. Here, you may get some plants growing on land and some growing in water. The plants are divided into two parts, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. For example, banyan tree, apple tree. Aquatic plants. The plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. For example, water lily and rose. So students, अब आपको क्या लगता है? क्या हर टाइप के plants को water की need होती है? नहीं. The plants need water according to the place they grow. After having received much knowledge about water and plants, now we will start our poem, A Watering Rhyme. The first stanza of the poem is on the screen. Let's read it first. Early in the morning or in the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Now it's time to understand the poem. Early in the morning यानी कि बिल्कुल सुबह सुबह और in the evening hour या फिर evening के time are the times to water every kind of flower. These two are the best times to water the plants. यानी कि जब भी हमें plants को पानी देना हो तो ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि इवनिंग टाइम या मॉर्निंग टाइम बेस्ट टाइम्स होते हैं फॉर वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स. वाटरिंग एट नूनडे, नून टाइम में प्लांट्स को वाटर देना. व्हेन द सन इज हाई, जब सन ब्राइटली शाइन कर रहा हो. डजंट हेल्प द फ्लावर्स, इससे फ्लावर्स को कोई भी बेनिफिट नहीं मिलता. ओनली मेक्स देम डाई, बल्कि उन्हें फेड करने लग जाता है. अगर आप नून में वाटर दे रहे हैं टू द प्लांट तो ये आपके प्लांट्स के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता. इससे हमारे प्लांट्स धीरे धीरे फेड होने लग जाते हैं एंड एट लास्ट ड्राई हो जाते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, ये भी कम्प्लीटली ट्रू नहीं है कि नून में वाटर देने से प्लांट्स ड्राई हो जाते हैं. दिस इज अ मिथ. द एक्चुअल रीजन बिहाइंड इट इज कि अगर आप दोपहर में पानी देंगे तो सन बीम्स उसे ऑब्जर्व कर लेंगे, जिससे वाटर रूट्स तक नहीं जा सकेगा और हमारा ट्री फेड हो जाएगा. Now let's move to the questions. Question number 1. What is the best time to water the plants? The answer is, the best time to water the plants is early morning or evening time. Next, when should we not water the plant? Answer, we should not water the plants at noon. Third, what happens if we water the plants at noon? The answer, if we water the plants at noon, it makes the flowers die. Now open your book and note down the questions for homework. Question number 1. Name two types of plants. Second, write the uses of water. Third, do you plant flowers? Write the name of your favorite plants. Now hopefully you understood the poem and gained enough information about plants and water. If you are again interested to learn something, come again the next day. Bye.